Okay, so I just came across this tool called uncloud, and it's like a lightweight version of Kubernetes for managing containerized apps. Pretty cool, right?
Really? That sounds interesting. What makes it different from Kubernetes? I know that can be really heavy on resources.
Exactly, uncloud has no central control plane. Each machine synchronizes its own state through peer-to-peer communication. It's decentralized.
Wait, no central control. That's unexpected. So does that mean it keeps functioning even if some machines go offline?
Yep, it keeps operations functional when some machines drop, just like a distributed network, kind of like a mesh.
That's fascinating. But wouldn't that mean troubleshooting could get complicated?
Good point, but they emphasize simplicity with a Docker-like CLI, familiar commands for managing everything.
Nice, so it's like using Docker but with the added bonus of clustering. What about deployments?
Uncloud supports zero downtime deployments. Think about rolling updates without interrupting service.
Wow, that's a game changer. How do they handle service discovery?
It has a built-in DNS that resolves service names to container IPs. Super handy.
But isn't there a risk of conflicts with services having similar names?
That's a fair concern. I guess managing unique namespaces is crucial to avoid confusion.
Right, I wonder how they tackle that with their networking setup.
They use a WireGuard mesh network with unique IPs for containers, allowing seamless communication across machines.
So you get private networking automatically. That's really convenient.
Yep, and it minimizes the overhead. It's designed to make self-hosting feel like a cloud experience.
That's a compelling pitch, but isn't it still in development, so some features might change?
Exactly, it's not ready for production use yet, so users should keep that in mind.
I assume there are limitations then, like potential instability.
Definitely, and the feature set might change, making it tricky for serious deployments right now.
Still, it's promising. I like how they're focusing on the balance between power and simplicity.
For sure, many developers want that sweet spot without diving into Kubernetes complexities.
Speaking of complexities, how do they handle persistent storage across machines?
They allow for Docker volumes shared between machines. It's essential for stateful services.
Interesting, but what if one of those machines fails? Does it lose data?
Good question. I think it depends on how you set up your storage. Redundancy is key.
That makes sense. Building a resilient system is always a challenge.
Exactly, but the design seems to prioritize minimizing single points of failure.
I appreciate that. It feels like they really took developer experience into account.
Totally, they've integrated features from other projects like Tailscale for that smooth experience.
That's awesome. So it's kind of a best of both worlds situation.
Exactly, you get the flexibility of self-hosting with less operational complexity.
I'm intrigued. I wonder how well it scales though.
Well, according to their doc, you can start with one machine and just add more as needed.
That's a smart approach. It's like growing at your own pace without feeling overwhelmed.
For sure, and it allows for running on a mix of cloud and on-premises setups.
I bet that's appealing for a lot of developers, especially those with budget constraints.
No doubt, it's a great way to control costs while still enjoying cloud-like benefits.
I think you've sold me on it, but I'm still curious about the community aspect.
They have a Discord server for real-time discussions and input, community-driven.
That's a great way to foster collaboration and share ideas.
Exactly, plus they encourage contributions which can help shape future directions.
One last question. How do they ensure security in this setup?
They use TLS certificates automatically with Caddy for HTTPS. Pretty solid for security.
That sounds promising. I can't wait to see how it evolves.
Definitely, it'll be interesting to watch how they balance simplicity and complexity moving forward.